I'm back with another unboxing, and it's been a while since I had my last unboxing. This was obviously for my anniversary with my beautiful missus who I love. So obviously sending me this over, so we're going to unbox this. And I know what's inside, but I can't wait to put it together. So my collection has grown quite nicely. And I don't know if you can tell, but I finally have bought a handcuff of it. All set up, so, and oh boy, so I'm glad it doesn't take too much to open it up so we can get this over with. Well, we have, let's get into this thing. There's that Goku Black, Goku Black, so that's cool. So go with Super Saiyan Blue Vegito and Trunks. So get a look at that. Yeah, Goku Black. So there we go. Didn't take too much. It's dirty. There we go. The only thing missing there is the keyblade, I guess. But other than that, pretty cool to add to the collection. So that is the unboxing. Thank you again if you're watching my messages. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to the channel for more unboxings. Catch you guys later. Bye.